Hello there, Miguel Martinez Juarez here, and it's November 23 actually because it's midnight. Um, just finished up my workout and had my meal. Now showered and everything, so I'm here. And this video is gonna be on um, perception, perspective. Okay, it's so powerful. It's like it's under it's underestimated or undervalued in the law of attraction community. Those of us who understand manifestation, um, or who are just studying it, you won't see much about it. It's actually, you can call it the law of polarity, right? It's kind of like in anything in the world, or anything that's going on with you, you can see something bad and something positive. Okay, and no matter what situation, okay, for example, you wake up and say, oh, I don't have the mansion I want. Or you can say, oh, I'm so grateful I have this beautiful apartment. I'm so grateful that I have this beautiful bed. I'm so grateful I have this comfortable bed. All right, two perspectives, same situation. Okay, a house burned down. One family says, we lost everything. Why? Another family says, oh, we're so grateful our family's okay. This is everything. The rest we can get again. See? Same situation, different perspectives. Okay? Now, I'm actually kind of expanding on a program that Bob Proctor gives us in his coaching. And it's the Magic in Your Mind program. This is, I believe, it's a 6-week program. It's not long, it's very short, but it basically talks about the higher faculties that we have in our mind. So we have will, perception, okay, imagination, intuition, and we have reason, okay? Reason. Okay. Now, on this video, we're going to talk about perception. And in the program, Magic in Your Mind, one of the speakers, her name is Mary Morrissey. I love her. She's amazing. I love her voice, and I love the stuff that she shares. It's like so amazing the way she says it. She explains things. She said that one time that she experienced perception, right? In this event, I think her husband told her, hey Mary, I just lost my job. And she's like, oh no. She started panicking because she was a undergraduate student and she wasn't working, so he was the only source of income. So he's like, oh no, our family, like, where are we gonna get money? And then she's like, she remembered a speaker once say, you have an off button. You can tell yourself to, hey, I'm not gonna worry about this right now, I'll worry about it later. Okay? And so she took that perspective, and when she got the news, she said, oh, wait, I'm panicking right now. I'm in a low vibration, a negative vibration. Okay? I need to get on a high one. Right? It's because if you're in a higher vibration, you're attracting good things into your life. So she said, you know what? I'm going to start panicking next week. Okay? I'm not going to panic right now. Right now, I'm just going to just be. And I'm going to ask myself, what good could come from this? Okay? So she was actually, what good will come from this? What good will come from this? And her husband got a new job closer to where they were living, and he would ride his bike, and he was so happy to ride his bike to work. And so she saw that and said, wow, there's so much good that came from this, right? And in that moment, she realized that she had the choice of choosing to not panic, choosing to let go of those negative emotions that she was feeling, and to look at what was good, looking at the good. What good come from that situation? And so you can do that as well, and anything in your life. Okay, for me, for example, so this weekend was one of my car payments, my truck payments, and it was the weekend, so I couldn't pay, and I was like, oh no, I'm late. They're gonna call me. They're gonna be like, They're gonna say, "Oh, hey Miguel, we're gonna go. What's that word? I don't even want to know that word. When they take your car because you didn't make your payments, and so I don't even want to know the word, what it's called. But so that was kind of coming in my mind, and I was like, no, I choose not to panic. I choose not to panic. I'll panic next week. I'll panic another day. Today, I'm just gonna be grateful. I'm gonna work on my work, and I'm gonna focus on my work, and that's it. Okay, so Monday came. So earlier, I called. After I finished my work, I called I guess the loan company, the car company, and I said, hey, look, I know the payment was due this weekend. I'm gonna make the payment, okay, Wednesday. And the guy said, okay, all right, yeah, just call us in. And I'm like, what? I was like, what? I was panicking. I'm like, oh my god! Like for that second, right, at that moment, I think it was during the weekend or the week. But every time that would come up to my mind, like their payment, then I was like, I'm not gonna panic. I choose not to panic. I know I'm gonna take care of it, so I choose not to panic. I'll panic next week, right? And so you can do that for anything in your life, so you can stay at a high vibration, right? Say, for example, you're manifesting money here, and your money's running out, and you're starting to panic. But you can say, you know what? I choose not to panic. I choose not to panic. I'll panic next week. Right now, I'm gonna ask myself, how can I earn more money, or how can I get out of this situation? How can I? Asking yourself, how can I? Or asking yourself, what good could come from this? What good could come from this? What good could come from this, right? And so once you're in that state, or that's either a good state or just like at a zero, right? Because when you meditate, you're at a zero. You're neither high or good, all good and jolly, or negative. You just are, You just are. But then I guess you do rise to higher vibration as you begin just to relax. You get peace, okay? And you start feeling joy. Actually, you do, but you have to get into that 0 point, that 0 point. And where was I? Yeah. So once you're in a high vibration, you can start feeling the feelings of your wish. Okay, fulfilled. How do you feel now that you're earning this amount of money? Okay, you don't have any negative feelings inside of you. You're being how Jerry and Esther Hicks would say, you're being non-resistant. Okay, you're being non-resistant. You're not having any doubts and fears. You're not feeling negative. When you're feeling the feelings of the wish fulfilled, you are allowing things to happen, allowing the ideas to come to you, allowing for you to take action, allowing the people and the events and circumstances to come to you. Okay, yeah. So perception, very important, very, 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 very important. Okay. Perception is also going back to understanding the laws, understanding that you need to be in a high vibration, in the vibration of your wish, right? So that you can bring it into your life. For example, if here's your goal, say it's getting a certain car, and you feel a certain way about the car. Okay, I'm driving a Challenger SRT. How do I feel? I feel cool. I feel great. Okay, so I gotta feel cool and feel great over and over and over again. Okay, but I guess if you don't have it yet, you're probably in a different vibration. Okay, you're in a different vibration. You could be happy, but you're not feeling cool and great. Okay, and you don't have that picture in your subconscious mind yet. It's not in there yet. Okay, but once you have that in your subconscious mind, your image of yourself in your car or what have you, and you're on that vibration, everything starts coming in. The amount of money comes to you, the right dealership comes to you, or you go to the right dealership. All that stuff, you start taking action. You don't go there all scared and stuff like that. You actually do it, And it's okay to feel a little worried. It's just your ideas, your paradigms, those subconscious ideas that are stuck in there already. They're programming you. are telling you this is not who you are, right? But you're like, you understand that you have to go through that kind of uncomfortable feeling to do it, right? For example, you're riding a bike, you're not really comfortable, but you want to do it, so you get it done. And same thing here, when you get on that vibration, you're getting closer and closer to your vibration. You're about to break through. You're about to break through, so you take the action even if it's uncomfortable, but it's good for you, okay? It's like you're walking into the gym and you've never done a workout, or you haven't been there in a long time, or you're out of shape and you're kind of like self-conscious. It's uncomfortable, but it's good for you. So you do it and you push through and get that uncomfortable feeling. And every time you reach a new goal, you get uncomfortable because you're doing something new that you're not used to. Okay, so remember, shift your perspective every time you get in a low vibration. Everybody goes through this, even the best. Some of the masters say, like, I get a little frustrated, and I just shift. I shift my vibration, like, oh no, I can't do this, so I pull out my gratitude pad and start doing my gratitude. Okay, it does happen. It does happen. Okay, Rhonda Byrne, I've heard her. I mentioned a few things like that. Even through their experiences, like the experience that I shared, they'll talk about it. How you begin shifting your perspective, shift your view, right? Shift your view, and you can also command yourself to not worry and say, look, I'm not gonna worry, and I'll worry next week. Right now I'm gonna be grateful, and right now I'm gonna ask how I can get out of this situation, or how can this situation be good? What's the good in here? Okay, what's good in this situation? What good can come out of this situation? Okay, and guess what? Start looking at the good. You start looking at the good. Law of polarity. There's good. There's bad. There's good. But at the time you're only focusing on the bad. So there's obviously good there. You just gotta find it, and you gotta keep asking it and asking it and asking it and asking it. Okay, and you'll get it. You'll get the good, and you'll be attracting more good into your life. Okay. This is the one that I wanted to share so much with you. Okay, so much, because a lot of people don't talk about this. All right, I hope you like this one. And if you want more support, more information, check the description box below about Proctor's program. The 6 minutes to success is there. That's the first program I joined with him, and it changed my life. Okay, changed my life for the better. And that's why I do this, because I want to help you. I want to help you. Okay. And until next time, thank you so much. Peace.